Hi, Nards. Hi, Nards.
Hello. Nards, nung last mong nakaharap ang Ginebra sa finals, you're with the other side. So, ngayon, nandito ka sa Ginebra. Ano lang yung nararamdaman mo? Ano yung tingin mong mangyayari dito sa finals?
Gusto niyo bang tumayo si Nards? Oh, tumayo daw. Nards. Para makita ka. Nards. Yan. Para makita ka. Yan, okay.
Siguro sobrang weird kasi last time na nag-finals na sa kabilang team ako. Pero happy din kasi nasa Ginebra na ako. Tapos may chance ako makakuha ng championship. Tsaka sila din. So, ayun.
Goval, meron kayong gustong sabihin?
Pag natalo kami, susuli namin to.
I'd like to ask,
Sa viral ko, napunta sa amin, baka malas sa amin.
I'd like to ask Chris Newsom. Chris, you were waving at Nards. What did you want to tell him?
I love Nards, man. He's a great kid. He was a great teammate while he was here at Meralo. You know, we wish him the best while he's over there at Ginebra, of course. While you're on the other side, you know us well enough that you know what's coming from us. You know that we're not gonna let down just because you were with us before. If anything, we're gonna push you to try to get the best out of you, and we expect you to get the best out of us as well. So. Despite Nards being on the other team, we love him, but you know, when it comes down to being on the court, we're just going to go out there and compete and get the best out of each other.
Okay, thank you.